Okay, so if you could understand that example, then you're pretty good, well off. And now here's the hardest one I have on here. So if you can understand this, then you're doing really well. So let's see. We have um what this code does is I create a one-dimensional array called R, and then I have another one-dimensional array R new, and I want R new to be equal to the one-dimensional array R, and I want to make that happen via a function. So well, basically what this function does is it returns a one-dimensional array. So when I do R new equals this function, then I'm setting the um, yeah, basically, like whatever array the function returns becomes what R new is. So here I'm allocating space for R, and then inside of okay, so this is function A, so I'm going to go up to function A, and I'm dealing with int star, which means I'm dealing with the original R, not a copy, not a pointer to R, which means the function is creating a copy of R, because that's how the program works. So now in this function, I have to create the new array, and then allocate space for it, and then here I'm setting all the values of R new to be equal to the R, and then now at this point all I would have to do is just return R new, and then I'm done. But then I actually just also another thing, just notice that it's int star because it's returning an int array, so that's the syntax for returning that. Now I added anyway, so going back to before the return, I decided to add a twist. So I'm gonna actually pass it to function B, which will notice that in function B I'm going to be taking in a pointer to array new R new, which was this one. So I'm passing the address and then taking as int star star, and then now every time I reference it inside this function, I have to use a star R new, star before the R new, and because it's a pointer to R new, and then so this is a void function, so it doesn't return anything. So after this, because I set all the values to 5, now I have I have R new as an array of 5s, and when I return it, I'm basically returning an array of 5s. So here R new equals an array of 5s, and then that when I run it, it will therefore print 555 as R new. And there we go. So if you understood that, then you're pretty well off with pointers.